Hey everyone, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite vegan recipe. This is very simple. It's just some lettuce bowls filled with beans. It's really good, I promise. So for this recipe you will need some veggies, whichever veggies you prefer. I chose to use tomatoes, onions, peppers, a little bit of lemon to put over my lettuce, some asparagus, and some pink beans. I'm also going to be using coconut oil and some Badia complete seasoning. If you are not familiar with that brand, I will try to link it down below or something because I recommend it. It's very low in sodium and it's also very good. So I hope you like this recipe. And now on to my favorite part, which is the chopping of the veggies. Now you can chop the veggies as big or as small as you want. This is really just up to you. Get creative. So as I'm chopping this up, my pan is already preheating and I already added a spoonful of coconut oil in there. I'm just letting that sit while I chop my veggies up. So now I'm just adding my veggies, adding away. For whatever reason, I like to put my tomatoes first. I don't know why, but I like to put them first. Just giving it all a little whisk so it can absorb the coconut oil. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the vegetables, my onions and my peppers. Now I'm gonna sort of mix it all together real good. I love how colorful it looks. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of the Badia seasoning. I guess that an alternative for this would be oregano or cilantro, salt, pepper, whatever herbs and spices you prefer you can add. It's all fine. Get creative. Add whatever you prefer. Now I'm just gonna let that sit for a bit, and while that is sitting, I'm gonna prepare my lettuce bowls. So I just have some iceberg lettuce in a bowl, and I am putting a little bit of lemon juice, or I guess that's lime. Is that lime or lemon? I don't know, I always get confused. Lemon juice, whatever. Now I'm adding my beans to the mix, and this is my favorite part because now the beans is going to really absorb the juices of the vegetables and it's going to make it taste really good. Once that is done, you can proceed to put your beans inside your lettuce bowls. Yum! I just decorated my plates with a little pieces of potatoes on the side and my asparagus. Now I'm gonna put some chives on top of my beans to make it look extra pretty and extra fancy. It's really yummy. This is really good. It's very healthy. It's very easy to make. There I am putting on those chives. It's really good. It's extremely filling, and even if you're not vegan or vegetarian, I really would recommend this. It's really yummy. So I hope you like this video and I hope you like this recipe. If you like it and try it, I don't know, let me know. I am interested in seeing if you enjoyed it as much as I have. So yeah, subscribe if you want more recipes and I don't know, more videos, and enjoy. Bye!